Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day and having an awesome night or whenever you are watching this. Hopefully all your guys' pets are doing well. So it's been 24 hours since we fed all of the big snakes, and I'm happy to say that the big female normal, the BCI, is in blue. So that's super exciting. So she should be shedding out and she's growing a lot. So pretty soon the BCI and the Argentine will need its own enclosure. Well, they have their own, I mean, just like a bigger one, probably a 6-footer. So we'll have to see on the size on how they grow. And then Pop-Tart over here, we can see that she has a nice lump in her after eating that extremely large rat. So they all seem to be doing really well on that food size. So possibly we might be feeding them larges more often, along with some mediums, just to keep their metabolism up and down like that. So on this one, we're just going to be feeding 4 of the smaller boas. So we'll just jump into that really quickly. So this video shouldn't take long at all. And I guess we'll just start out with my male snow. Very, very nice looking snake. I think I got the wrong size mouse for him, and might have to feed him twice, but I really think feeding him now and then getting more rats this at the end of the week, I'll just get a size bigger, so it's easier for him. And as we can see right here, it is a, well, maybe not. Maybe that is a good size. I was looking at these next to some of the larger adult mice and it looked pretty small, but I don't know. I think that's a good size for him. At least for right now. And man, his tail is looking really nice. So I think we're good. I think we're good on that. I always get confused or nervous while feeding too big, so I think again that's a good size. Now on these ones, they are about 6 to 7 months older than the snow, and they definitely have some nice size on them. So this is my female Moonglow, and I really think she is gonna get some bedding soon. So next time I make up some more Repti chips, she's definitely get bedding, because she's definitely big enough that if she swallows some, it shouldn't be an issue. So I am noticing that she's missing some scales on her, like here and there, like 1 or 2 scales. But other than that, she's a very, very clean looking Moonglow. Super excited. She's in this in the collection, and then possibly in the future we might go snow to Moonglow, but that's in another 4 years. So we'll just see if she wants to eat. So I kind of have a little plate up here. So I have some large mice right here, which should be fine. Oh, let's get that in there. Which should be fine for her. I normally feed her, oh great, she just smeared blood on her side. But I normally have been feeding these girls a little bit on the smaller side, and then I was told that they could eat adult mice, so it's what we're going to try to do. And then here's this crazy looking IMG with some extra stuff in it, and this is 100% het for snow. And since it has a hypo in it, with the het snow, we could even try to make Moonglows and snows and everything else. Maybe we'll hit in the future on a few IMG Moonglows. That'd be cool. Oh boy, that's a big meal. That makes me nervous. And this rat pup, so this is supposed to be a very large mouse, and then this is the rat pup. So this rat pup's gonna get fed to the Guyana, and I'm honestly nervous to feed her that. But then again, I don't want to give her this because that is itty bitty. We'll just go ahead and try it. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you missing? Just, there we go. Take it slow. Actually, that's not terrible. I mean, it is the width of her, but it just makes me super nervous because she's still, she's almost a year old, so she's not that young, but young enough where it makes me nervous that I don't want her to regurgitate because of a meal that is too large. And here we have my Guyana Redtail, and she is looking extremely nice. I love how bright her tail is. And so we'll just go ahead and feed her. And she's been on rat pups for a while now, and within the last probably 6 to 8 months, she's really starting to put on some good size. Even though she is small, but it's really slow growing with the red tails, true red tails. But in the long run, they will get larger, somewhat larger than the normal BCIs and stuff like that. So really looking good on the ghost and the albino. I would show you guys the Argentine, but she likes to strike at the glass, so we're just going to save her for another day. But we'll just kind of watch some of these snakes eat, nothing too crazy. And I really don't think I need this one, so this one might go into the king snake as well. So we'll just watch him eat, and that'll be it. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. They all ate very, very well, and this one's still trying to finish her meal. But hopefully those meals are not too large for them. Hopefully they can digest them well and pass them through without any issues. We don't need any more snakes regurgitating in the room. We don't need any more sick animals. We don't need anything bad going on. Hopefully we're past that little hump for a while. We don't have any issues in 2021 anymore, I should say. But other than that, hopefully you guys have an awesome day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.